Hey guys, welcome to Adek channel. My name is Prince Adek. On this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook page, how to set it up, and I'll be talking about the new update about Facebook that you can choose the category that your Facebook account belong to. So now let's get started on how we can create our Facebook page for our business. Maybe either you are a hairdresser, you are a fashion designer, you are furniture, you are auto mechanic, or anything you are doing, you can create a Facebook page for your business. So when you want to create a Facebook page, this is on my system. If you want to use phone, it's okay. There's no problem about that. You can use your phone to create the Facebook page. You can use your system. Anyway, you can log in the Facebook account, then you can create your Facebook page there. So now when you want to create a Facebook page, you just go to, you will see in your right hand, you will see this plus when you are using system, but if you are using phone, you will see menu. So from menu you click on see from system. Now we click on create, which show here you see post, story, live event, page, ad group, event like that, marketing listing, marketplace listing also there. So you now go to page. Since we want to create a Facebook page, so you click on page. So now you see they show that create a page here, page name required, category required, bio is optional. You can create a Facebook page with maybe the name of your business, or you will the business page will relate with what you are doing. Maybe you are a fashion designer. So let's say I want to create a page for like a fashion clothing store. I want to create a page for like clothing store. So let's say I write the name as maybe T and K fashion store, T and K fashion store. Fashion store. All this you can do it on your phone also. So fashion store. So category required. You see from this category you will say fashion. You look for what relates to what you are doing. If it is fashion store, fashion designer, design and fashion, or let's say clothes. You see clothing brand, clothing store, clothing company, apparel and clothing, women's clothing store, men's clothing store, babies and children clothing store. So if you are selling on only maybe women's clothing, you can just choose the category to be clothing store. And if you are selling ordinary men's clothes, you just choose men's clothing store. But if you are selling the whole, you can choose all of them, and the first one you choose will be the one that will be pop-up. If you choose maybe like many stores, many categories, the first one you choose will be the one that will be at the top, that will be showing on your page. So now let's say we choose clothing store. So we can choose another one, like we choose like the clothing or the men's clothing, women's clothing store also, and we choose another one, men's clothing, since you are selling everything. So men's clothing store also. So right now we have the name of our store and we have the category. So in the bio is optional. If you like, you can write the bio or you just leave it there, but it's good to write it just to know more about your page. So we can say we sell, example, we sell quality clothes. We say quality clothes for men and women. For men and women. You can write your own bio according to what your page deal about. So for men and women, okay, so this is our bio. Then after writing the bio, we click on create page. Should in case you pastor was created, now you can add image to your this thing. So the name of our store has already been added. We have already created the page. So finish set up the page, set up your page. You see we have where we can add the website, the phone number, the email, the location, city and zip code, the time we open our store. We can choose everything. So let's say you have website that you used to sell your clothes, you have the website for your page, so you add your website to this place, like www.any of your websites.something.com. Example, maybe like you have clothes like T&K, maybe they have created the website for you, tkclothing.com. Maybe you have like that. You have like this. So you had it there, the phone number, you had your phone number plus, let's say 971 7152 889 5565 5565. I just add any number. You can just add your number that that is your number, your business number. You can add it there. The Gmail, you can add any Gmail that the Gmail to your business. You will add it there. From example, let's say I have like Lovely Life 655. Just add your Gmail there at gmail.com. So now we have the Gmail, the address. Let's say Dubai, Investment Park, Dubai Investment Park, Dubai Investment Park, say Dubai Investment Park. So you can just choose. So from here you see the address, Dubai Investment Park, the city and town, Dubai, United Arab Emirates, the zip code 00000, and the hours, the time you open. Maybe you always open 24/7, or you open with selected hours. You can choose the hour that used to open. If your store is open always, all the time, every day, you can just choose always open. But if you don't want any hours to be there, you can choose not to put the hours. And if you want to put the time you open the shop, you can just write the open as selected hours, which is we can choose Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday till Sunday. If you used to use all the time, like you open every time, every day rather, you open every day. But if you open maybe by what time to closing time, you can choose. You can choose any of these to see. Maybe by Monday you open by 9 a.m. you close by 10 a.m. in the evening. You can set everything like this. So then we can go on next. So now we have the profile picture, the cover photo. The profile picture normally should be the graphics design that you have do for your business. Maybe you have logo, you can just upload the logo to be here. Let's say I choose a profile picture. Oh my god, let's say I have here, no, where I have something that relates to, let's say here, where did I have the, so okay, let's say I have this as my profile picture, which is Slate Clothes and Co. You know, any name that you want to be there, any graphics that you have for the logo that you have will be here. You put it as your profile picture. Then you go to cover picture. Then you choose something that relates to what your page is deal about, what your page is all about. You choose it here. So here we have add action button. This action button is, if you see the page, you can see we have T&K Fashion Store. About the bio that we write from the beginning when we are creating the page, we have it like we sell quality clothes for men and women is showing there. That is where you put the bio. If you don't put any bio, it won't be here. If you write the bio, it will be here. So now let's go to, you can drag to see, maybe you want to drag the position that you want the to show. Maybe it should be showing like this, or it will be like this. You can drag to any position of your choice when you are creating your Facebook page. Okay, so now we can go to add action button. Here we can go to add action button. So this action button is like, if you want to, you see, if you want to add, like once they get to your page, they can see book now, sign up, start order, fill shop, get ticket. So send message, send WhatsApp, call now, send email, contact us, link to your group or app. This action button is when they enter your page, they will see it. So you are the one that to put the action that you want it to be in your page. If you want to add maybe like book now, you can create this, that maybe they want to book appointment with you. If you use sign up, maybe your website, you link your website to your page. So anytime anybody enter your page, they will see the sign up button that they can click on it and they will sign up to your website. Start order. If you want them to be ordered, that will go to your website also. If they want to order from, maybe you have the website, they can order the clothes. You can just use this. And fill shop, if you have your website, the shop that you have already created, you can choose it to be here. So also, if you want the action button to be send message, once they enter, they click on send message, they will send you the message on Facebook. If you want WhatsApp message, they can send you the message on WhatsApp. If you want them to call, maybe to make call with you, they can see it there. If they want, maybe you had your mail, they can see if they want to send mail to you, or if they want to contact you through your website or with contact info. Anyone you want to do. So let's say we choose send message. You see, there's a lot of things that is there. You can add to your as action button. You can choose to be there. You can see, you can link your YouTube channel. You can link it there. Visit the group. You can link anything. So let's say we choose to send message. So now we go to next. See, we have it like that, save. So the action button is there, then next. So build your page and audience. You see, they want you to invite your friend to know about your business page, to know about your friend, your page, so they can follow, they can like your page. So let's say I want to invite friend. I can just select all and send the invite to all of them. So next, we have the pay notification, the marketing promotion, then done. Right now, we are done creating the Facebook page. Let's look the result that we have. Let's see what we have. Now, this is our Facebook page. This is our Facebook, this is our business page rather. This is our business page. We have the cover picture, our the logo, the name of the store. You see, we have the, you see, they said is 80 gold, right? You see, we can write a welcome post. That is, anybody that enter your page, you can choose to write a welcome post for them, that anytime they enter, they will see welcome post there. Link your WhatsApp. You can link your WhatsApp account with your page, the WhatsApp account, that your business WhatsApp account, that your customer can write you from there. So we have everything. You see, page, clothing store, Dubai Investment Park, that's our location, the number that they can contact, the Gmail, the website. So this is our Facebook page, and from here now, you see how our Facebook page is now. You can invite your friends to like the page, so you can see the growth. You can show them your business page. So now you can see our Facebook page, how it look like. You can see the cover photo, the logo that we put there, the name, the T&K fashion store. You see how it is your page. We have the pages to be good. So for us to make it perfectly, we have to do write a welcome post to link our WhatsApp account. If you want to link your WhatsApp account, you click on link your WhatsApp account, and we show that okay, the number you want to link. So you will link from here. You send the WhatsApp code to link the WhatsApp account with your page. Also, if you want to write a welcome post, you can use it to be public, done. A welcome post that you want it to be on your page. You can choose to post a video with it. If you have video or picture or video of a welcome, you can post it there, or you can just write a welcome post. You can do it or with anything that comes to your mind to write as a welcome post. So you can see how the page is. That's how to set up a business page. That's how you can set up your business page. So in the next video, I'll be talking about what needed to be posted in your page, what you should post in your page, and then if you have anything to add or anything to ask, you can add under the comment section. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. My name is BUSINESSGROWTH.